Hi. I redid the video for your assignment 1 because I noticed there was some blurriness on the menus when we were using Word. So let me just take you through the steps of assignment 1. First of all, let me show you what I did here on my computer. I created a folder called assignment 1 and I put the downloaded file inside the folder. So I'm just going to minimize this and I'm going to start Word. And I'm going to use a blank document once I'm into Word. And let me maximize this for you. We're going to start on the very first instruction. It says display a new blank Word document, which I did. Display the ruler. You'll notice that the ruler is already showing. And the paragraph markers or the formatting marks. This is where you do the formatting marks. If I click on this little icon here, it'll take it off. If I click back on it, it will put the paragraph marks or the formatting marks back on. Now you're probably wondering where I got the ruler that's showing at the top here. Well, if you go to View and you look at the top menu, you'll see the ruler mark is checked. If I uncheck it, it'll take off the ruler. If I check it, it'll put it back on. Okay. Now the very first thing we're going to do is save our file. We're going to go File, Save As, and you save it on your hard drive. You can create a folder just like I did. Let me find my folder. I put it in my temporary area. Here you go, and I'm going to save it as my last name underscore my first name underscore Word, W for Word underscore A-1, and I am going to save it. Now we're going to add a footer to the document using the file name as a field. So we are going to add a footer. I'm going to go to Insert, Footer. Footer. And once I've got the footer box open here, I want to add the file name that will be listed as the footer. And the easiest way to do this is go back to my top menu here, Info Document, and just click on File Name. And you notice it put my file name there. Next, we're going to get out of the footer area, and you can either click in the document or close here. I like to just click in the document. I'll double click in the document, then get out of the footer. Step number 2, insert the text file data WA-1. That's the file that you downloaded. So we're going to insert Object, Text from a File. And I'm going to go find my data file. Remember, it's in your Assignments 1 folder that you're working on. Here's my data file. Insert. And it will put all the text from that data file into your document. Next, we're going to select the entire document. So I'm going to go Home, click on the Home, select All, and you notice it selects all the text. And I'm going to increase the line spacing to double and change the paragraph spacing after to 0. Easiest way, right click on the document, Paragraph. I am going to change the line spacing to double, and I'm going to change after, see it here, line spacing after to 0, and just click OK, and it'll format my text accordingly. Next, we're going to insert a header. So I'm just going to click off of it, go to Insert, And this time we're going to insert a header. And I'm just going to click in that first box. And you see where it says type here? We're going to type in Taggart, spacebar, and we're going to insert a page number right after Taggart, right here. And we're going to insert the page number in its current position. Okay, and then we're going to line the header right. Okay, so we're going to go home and just line the header right. There you go. Now let's just get out of the header. Just click here. Next thing we're going to do is correct the document for any spelling and grammatical errors. So review, spelling and grammar, and you'll notice the box comes up here. Well, it wants us to correct Taggart. Well, we're not going to correct Taggart. That's correct, so we're going to say ignore. And spelling and grammar check is complete. Hey, on step number 4, press Control Home, and that should put us right around here. Let me show you. See my cursor here? Control Home, and it should put me at the top of the document. Place the insertion point on the top blank line. That's your header, so top blank line, and then I'm actually going to hit an enter. There you go. Now I've got a blank line, and we're going to type in Ethan Taggart, enter, Dr. K-E-L-S-E-Y-M-A-L-D-I-V-E-S, University Medical Center, and April 21, 2016, enter. Okay, we're right here. Step number 5, type in information sciences, in the medical field. And this is our title, so we are going to line its center. Apply a first line indent to remaining paragraphs found after the centered title line. Okay, we are going to highlight all the text and apply a first line indent. Again, right click on all your text, paragraph, first line indent. Here's your indentations here. Here's special, so we're going to click here, first line. Okay, now you'll see every paragraph has been indented. Next, find the 2 paragraphs starting with improvements in care and responsible use of. Improvements in care and responsible use of, right here. And create a bulleted list. Well, your bulleted list is from the top of your menu. Using the solid round circles. If you didn't want to use the solid round circles, you have a lot of other choices, but we're going to use the solid round circles. We are going to decrease the indent level by 1. Up here you can increase, or I should say decrease or increase. What we want to do is decrease the indent level by 1, so we're just going to hit it once. Next, we're going to find a paragraph starting with "for decades." For decades, doctor patient. For decades, doctor patient. Where's that paragraph? Right here. And we're going to place the insertion point after privacy of patients. Okay. After privacy of patients, right here. And we're going to insert a footnote. So insert. To insert a footnote, we are going to go, and remember, a footnote is a reference, so we're going to click on, again, let's make sure we're right where we belong, doctor patient, right here, reference, insert a footnote, and then we're going to type the text that it asks us for. So we have our footnote typed, and it asks us to format the footnote style as Calibri. Let's see. So we're going to highlight the footnote, and let's go back to home. Notice Calibri. Okay. So it's Calibri 11 point font. We're going to use, again, double line spacing, so just right click on the text, paragraph, double line spacing, and set the paragraph spacing to 0 after, which is already done, and apply a first line indent of 0.5 to the footnote. First line indent of 0.5. And you'll see here it automatically set it to 0.5, so we're good there, and just click OK. Next, we're going to find we're on number 8. We're going to find a paragraph starting with laws such as the. Laws such as the. Let's go find that. Okay, here we are. Laws such as the. Place the insertion point after entities to secure said information. Entities to secure information right here. So, and we're going to do it right before the period. Right here, our cursor. And we're going to insert a citation in MLA style. So, to insert a citation MLA style, citation is a reference. Click on reference. Insert a citation, and keep in mind it's got to be an MLA style. Here's all your styles. So MLA is marked. So we're going to insert in a citation, and we're going to add a new source. And we're going to type in the information that's provided in the instruction. Type of source, website. Corporate author, we're going to use a corporate author, so check corporate author. Privacy rights. Name of the web page. Year 2013. Month January. Day access 8th, and the medium will be web. and just click OK. Next, we're on number 9. Find a paragraph starting with successful, rationale, secure. Successful, rationale, secure. Right here. Place the insertion point after challenges. Before the colon. And insert a citation in MLA style. Add a source, type the following. Okay, again, just what we went over a second ago. Insert MLA style. So let's add a new source. Again, type of source, website, corporate author, once again. Name of web page. Year 2012. Month November. Day 29, year accessed 2013, month accessed March, day accessed 8th, and the medium web. And then we're just going to click OK. Keep in mind, these references are an outstanding way to do any of your college papers when you have to create a citation or bibliography. So we're on number 10 right now. Find a paragraph starting with while title 2, right here. Place the insertion point after health information technology. Health information technology here. Before the period. And insert another citation. Again, insert citation, MLA, click. Add a new source. This time, type of source is book. Author. Title. Year 2012. City, New York. Publisher, Basic Books. And the medium will be print. And click OK. Okay, next we're going to, and we're on step number 11, we're going to insert a manual page break at the end of page 2. So if you just hold down your control key and hit end, it should take you to the end of your document. And we're going to put, I tell you what, we are going to put a page break. Okay, let's take a look at our document thus far. Notice we've got all this data in there. We've got the header, information sciences, we have our footnote, our document, file name in our footer. Everything looks cool. And I just put in a page break, a manual page break. So right now we are on step number 11. It says insert a manual page break, which we did. If you didn't see how I did that, insert page break right here. We are going to find a pair, nope, we're on number 11. Using the MLA style, again, reference, using MLA style, change MLA style, and we're going to update the current document and master list sources along with the bibliography. Oh, we didn't insert our bibliography. So we're going to insert our bibliography on this blank page. Go to bibliography and just click here. Center the bibliography title here, home, center, and update the current document and master list sources along with the here, update. So we're good there. Format the bibliography again. Let's format. Double line spacing, right click, paragraph, double line, hanging indent at 0.5, after 0, and then click OK. There you go. That's how your bibliography should look, and this is how your finished document should look. And what you need to do is just save it and download it or submit it to your assignments area in Canvas. And that's your entire assignment.